So now let's see how we can work around with the callout styles inside of Snagit. So over here, whenever you bring in some callouts, so I'm just going to go around over here, drag in a callout right over here and type in test. So what I can do is on the tool properties, I can work around with fill settings. So I can go around, choose the color that I want for the callout box. I can choose around an outline as well, just like that. And I can choose around different shapes that I want my callout to be. Let's say, for example, if I want it to be double-sided arrow, then that is how you work around with it. And each of the callout right here comes in with this little yellow dot right here. And as long as you have that, what you can do is you can simply go around and then just drag that in. And then what else you have is you have the shadows right over here. So you can go around with the shadow right here, right here, right here, and right here, just like that. And that is how you can work around with the shadows of the callout as well. You can go around with the different type of fonts over here as well. So you can go around over here onto the font, select that out, select this font out as well, and so forth. You can also go around over here and then select out different colors. For example, like this, just like that. So over here, what else you have is the font size. So you can increase and decrease out the font size. You can also work around with the outline size right over there, just like that. And then over here on the advanced side, you have other options. You can work around with the opacity. You can bold this out. You can bold out the text right here, just like this. You can just select it out and bold it out over here as well. You can italicize it. You can underline it, left align it, center align it, or right align it right over here. And even work around with these top and bottom alignment right here. So you can work around with the opacity. You can work around with the padding over here. So if you have multiple line of text right over here, you can work around with the padding over here as well, just like that. So let me just go over here, increase that out. So then you have shaded right over here. So you have inner shadings right here as well. So you can turn that on right over here as well, just like this. And that is how you can work around with different shapes. You can work around with the lines. You can work around with the font size, the outline, and everything else inside of Snagit. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.